There's a famous cartoon from America called Looney Tunes. The big star of Looney Tunes is Bugs Bunny. There's thousands of characters, and all the voices were done by one man. His name is Mel Blanc, and he got in a car accident, and he was in a coma, and it went on, for some time. At first, they couldn't wake him up. They thought maybe it had to do with just trauma. But he wouldn't wake up. His son would come, grown adult son would come visit him, and nothing happened. Nothing would work. They talked to the doctors, and the doctors said there's nothing physically wrong with him. It's just as if like the electronic impulses in his brain have stopped firing. They're like an idle. It's like a car that is an idle, and it just won't, it won't start back up. And then one day a doctor came to visit him, and just at I don't know, reflex or something. The doctor picked up the chart to look at the numbers, and the doctor said, "All right, what's up, doc?" Like Bugs Bunny said, "What's up, doc?" And all of a sudden, out from the coma, Mel Blanc goes, "I guess nothing." Like one of the characters from Looney Tunes. It woke him up from his coma. What the doctors guess is that as the sound came in, somehow or other, it triggered his system to just reanimate, re-wake up. This is the power of sound. Any sound. What to speak of? The power of divine sound.